it is July 22nd, 2022. Anyway, I got a call from a lady. I guess I worked for her before, and she's got a problem with her AC. It was installed 7-8 years ago, and the thing's not working. So I'm gonna go over there and see if we can figure out what's ailing it. It says the fan inside's not working. We'll go by and give it a look-see if we can figure it out. Be coming on and it's not. So I don't know. We'll have to open it up and take a look. This is a 220 unit. I got it on fan on downstairs and nothing. Let's open it and see what we could do here. No fan. The fan's not working. He said I put this thing in. I don't remember doing it. That's what she said. Transformer here. Let's see, we'll get the this blue right here. This blue will be the condenser. We'll see what our ohms are on that. That might have cooked the see what our ohms are. If it's low ohms, we get a bad contactor. No, that's fine. 19. That should be fine. So we got a bad transformer here. We got to change it. So we got the common, which is that, and the red. These two, we should have 24 volts. And we don't. We got 2 point. Oh, that's. I don't have 24 volts there, so that's our problem. I gotta get another transformer out of the truck. That's 220, right? I said? Yeah. Alright, I'll get what I need. Got a bad transformer here. See if I can put this in here somewhere. Power's off. I got the common. Brown and the white. Where's the power? I'll just put this right down like this. The old screw job, Mama. The old screw job. Black and the white here. Black and orange is the 220. She's a crusty one, Mr. Lynch. She's cookie. He smells a little on the cook side there, Mama. I get one screw in it, I'll be good. Get a couple of screws loose, y'all. Get a couple of screws loose, Mama. Yeah, it does. Alright, so what's what back here? We got the black's gonna go to C, which is common. Not common, it's 220, so it doesn't have a common. And then this orange one here is gonna go to a fuse, a 3 amp fuse to a red. Okay, so that'll be our fuse right there, in case something happens. It won't blow the transformer again. Right? That'll be our load right there. Another one of them things. That's good. Red goes to a fuse. Gotta tape that up so it don't arc out on me. You see that? Alright, so we go in the red, go down to the thermostat. We come back on blue, which goes out, that's the yellow, it's going out to the condenser. Right? And then the common goes out to the condenser. That's going to pull on the condenser. And then the green goes to green. So when I turn this on, the fan should come on. Might have a delay on it. The capacitor's bad. Seeing if I'm getting any power coming back on the green, which I should. Nothing coming back on the green. There's something for. Hello? You want to make sure the fan's on, the fan switch is on? There goes the fan. Working now. Oh, low voltage shit. Hello? Hello? Alright, so I put it, put a, fucking thing, bitch.
Steve, you okay?
Yeah, turn it on cooling.
Okay, hang on.
Put it on automatic and cooling. Yeah, it's fucking killing me. This thing's killing my legs.
I heard the compressor go on, but I'm not sure I'm getting the fan.
Yeah, it's, everything's working now.
Okay, great.
A problem right there. Only in America. Smells cooked. I can smell it. Oh yeah, it's coming out nice and warm. Feel that. That's the heat from the house.
Yeah. It's
So how
coming
long
out
ago
great.
did I put this in?
I don't know, like 15 years ago?
15.
Yeah, at least.
It's an 04.
It looks like it is
It's an 04. So that's 18 years ago.
18 years ago.
Wow. And it's still running fine then.
Yeah. Well, listen, if you want to replace it...
No, it's fine. As long as it's good, we leave it alone. I ain't replacing nothing.
Needs cleaning out again.
Huh?
I said I got to get it cleaned out again sometime.
Yeah. Still running.
Yep.